Hello guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. It's Alice Walker here from AliceWalker.London. Oh my, I am so excited to be back. It actually seems like a long time since I sat here and did this sort of videos. I haven't done these sort of videos in a while, so I'm so happy to be back, and I missed you guys so much, and I hope you guys missed me too. Well, I'm hoping you missed me. I've been away for my birthday, but this video is not about that. Before I get into that video, if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and come be a part of my family. Today's video is a review. A company called Bianco approached me to do a review on one of their products, and I'm sure you guys have seen this product going around. There's been a lot of reviews on this product. I'm actually really excited. Thank you so much for asking me to do a review. The product is the activated charcoal whitening powder. This is how it looks like as the box. This is actually going to be my honest opinion on this product. It's going to be a first impression. I will demonstrate it on camera for you, the natural way of whitening your teeth, unlike all the other brands on the market like the baking soda. I have been using baking soda before, but I found out that it was a little bit too harsh for me because it stripped the skin of my lips, which for me it's a no-no. I wanted a bright smile. I want to go out there and I want to smile, and my teeth is blinding people. That's the sort of teeth that I want. And it's taken me ages to get that sort of teeth. I've tried the laser whitening kit. The only thing I felt worked for me was the strips, but the strips too, I felt like it was making my teeth a little bit sensitive, so I had to cut down, or I had to stop using that. It's 100% natural ingredient. It's saying there, so it's absolutely safe. And it's 100% vegan, so if you're a vegan, it's absolutely safe for you. If you have sensitive teeth, it's absolutely safe for you. It sounds absolutely amazing. Anything natural, I love. It's also saying it has a bit of a mint flavor, but I'm yet to try them. I will tell you what this product is meant to do. It's saying that it's 100% activated charcoal powder, helps prevent cavity by not only whitening your teeth but removing plaque from your teeth and detoxifying your mouth. Some of the benefit of what this product does is it removes stains naturally from your teeth. It strengthens the enamel, it detoxifies your mouth, it cleans your gums, and it whitens your teeth. That's the most important one, whitening of the teeth. That's what we all yearning for. Me anyway. Already I'm sold. And anything that can do that for me, I am buying it, and I'm buying 1,000 of it. What I like about this is they've made the instructions very easy for us. It's only how many steps? It's only 3 steps. It's only 4 steps actually. You dip, you brush, you rinse, and you smell. This is how it looks when you open it. It's a powder form. And when you smell it, it doesn't have any scent to it. You can dip it slightly in water and use it, or you can use it dry. But for this instance, I'm going to use it dry. First of all, you dip your brush in the charcoal powder like so. I'm going to actually brush my teeth for 2 to 3 minutes. And after I finish brushing it, I will rinse it, and I will come and show you the result. Hi guys, so I've actually finished brushing my teeth. It lasted for 2 minutes. I've rinsed it off just to show you. I've got a picture actually. I just took an after picture. I'm going to show you, insert it up there to show you before and after. I'm going to be using it for up to 7 days, and I will keep you posted as to how white my teeth can get. They said it has a mint flavor, but I did not taste any mint in there. But there's no, like I said, no strong taste to it or no strong scent to it, which I absolutely love. It's 100% natural ingredient, which I love. This is actually 30 grams. It's perfectly safe to be used every single day. After using it as well, like I said, because my teeth were reasonably white, just a little white already, I noticed a big difference that it went about half a shade whiter, which is very nice. So I'm going to be continuing, like I said, for 7 days, and I will do an updated video with pictures to show you how my teeth has gotten whiter. So please look out for that video. The only other thing as well, it is very messy because it's in a powder form. When you're using it, I will advise you not to wear a white outfit, a white or a bright clothes. Maybe wear like something black to avoid messing your top. Apart from that, I love everything about this. It's absolutely brilliant. and because it's natural ingredient too, I'm actually going to be using it myself. If you're out there and you're looking for a teeth whitening product, I would definitely recommend this product. Bianco Smile were kind enough to give me a coupon code. I will insert it in my description bar below. It's Alice15. If you use that code, you get 15% off. Take advantage of it, and when you try it too, please don't forget to let me know what you think about this product, your honest opinion on this product. I personally do love this product, and I personally, after this product has finished, I am actually going to purchase some myself, and I will recommend it. So far from what I've realized and so far for what is done to my teeth, I absolutely think it's a good product. This is the end of the review. If you like this review and you want to see more reviews of this nature or any other reviews, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and come again soon and be a part of my family. Thank you and love you guys. Bye. Mwah.